This creator made millions of dollars in just 4 months. Yes, my friends, only 4 months. This creator runs 2 YouTube channels in the same category and with the exact same style. Nothing is different, only the channel name and color theme are changed. The first channel's name is No Sense. Right now, this channel has 76.5K subscribers with only 35 videos. Yes, just 35 videos, and within a few months, this channel reached millions in views and earnings. Now look at the second channel, called Simple Mind Map. Same content type, same style. This channel has 79.6K subscribers with only 74 videos, and it has also gained millions of views and dollars in earnings. Every video on these channels is about psychology, mindset, and life truths. Look at the videos. Each one is super amazing and highly engaging. Yes, my friends, this type of niche is still new, and many people don't know about it yet. So, in today's video, I will teach you how to create these types of videos using a super easy and completely free method. No paid tools. 100% free tools, my friends. So, friends, don't waste time. Let's start the video right now. Please watch the full video till the end. Let's go! Now come to ChatGPT. This first step is very important, my friends. Keep your eyes focused, because we will create the video exactly according to this channel, with no mistakes. First, copy the channel link and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT to analyze the channel. In the second step, ask ChatGPT to fully analyze the channel and give you all details, including style, niche, visuals, and content structure. Next, go back to any one of the channels and look at the thumbnails. Take a screenshot of the character used in the channel. Now come back to ChatGPT and ask this. I want to create this type of animated video. Please give me the same character style exactly like this image. No changes at all. I need 10 image prompts, same to same. In the next step, ChatGPT will give you 10 locked character image prompts, keeping the same character consistency. After that, ask ChatGPT, please give me video motion prompts for this character. Then ChatGPT will provide you with 10 best video motion prompts that we will use to create the video. So now we have image prompts and motion prompts. Next, it's time to generate AI images. At this step, we will use a 100% free AI tool, no payment required, because we are using a completely free method. Now open Leonardo AI. I've given the link in the description, so just open the website and log in. When you log in, you'll receive 150 daily free credits. Now select the default model and change the image ratio to 9:16. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, return to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Now wait for just a few seconds. Leonardo AI will create a high-quality professional image. And yes, it's completely free. And boom! Look at this. The image is ready. It looks super clean, sharp, and amazing. Now repeat the same process for all images. Copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. When all the images are ready, simply save or download them to your PC, because next we'll turn them into animated videos, just like the 2 channels we discussed earlier. So please don't skip the next part, my friends. Because in the next step, we'll use a special trick to create AI videos for free. Let's go to the next tool. So, friends, let's move forward and start creating. Now come to Runway ML. This website is really amazing because it creates high-quality AI animated videos. So today, we are going to use this AI tool. Please don't skip, my friends. Now I'll show you a trick to unlock the website. First, click on Login. Then go to a temporary email website and generate a temporary email address. Simply copy the email, come back to the Runway ML login page, enter any first and last name, paste the email, and click Next. Now add any username and password. Use the same password as the email and click Create Account. Don't worry, no code yet. Now go back to the temporary email site and wait for the verification code. When the code arrives, copy it. Come back to Runway ML, paste the code, and click Verify. Skip the add-ons and click Next. Now you can see, this trick is super powerful, my friends. You can create unlimited videos using temporary emails. This website gives you 125 free credits, which means you can create up to 5 free videos, my friends. Now open the video section. You'll see that Runway ML recently launched models like VEO 3.1 and Sora 2, but we will not use those. We will use only the Runway Gen 4 Turbo model. Now upload the first image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first motion prompt, return to Runway ML, paste the motion prompt, and select the video duration, 5 or 10 seconds. Then simply click Generate. Now, my friends, the timer starts. Wait for just 1 minute. Yes, only 1 minute. And boom! Look, my friends, the video is ready. Oh my God, it looks super amazing. And the best part is, it's completely free. Now repeat the same process for all videos. Nothing changes. Just upload the image, paste the motion prompt into Runway ML, and click Generate. Runway ML is one of the most powerful AI video generation platforms available right now. It allows you to turn images into high-quality animated videos in just a few clicks. With advanced models like Gen 4 Turbo, you can create cinematic, smooth, and realistic animations without any editing skills. When all videos are ready, simply download and save them to your device. Now we've created image-to-video animations. Next, it's time to create the voiceover, my friends. Yes, we'll generate the voiceover using a top-quality free AI website. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, please give me a 5 to 6 line voiceover script. ChatGPT will give you the script. Simply copy the voiceover text and go to 11 Labs. Yes, free, my friends. Log in using any Google account, select a voice, paste the script, and click Generate. Now your voiceover is ready. Finally, it's time to edit all the videos together with the voiceover. Now, my friends, simply open CapCut. Import all the videos along with the voiceover. Add the videos one by one to the timeline and adjust them properly, my friends. Now add some transitions. You can use any transition you like, such as fade, blur, or any simple effect. Next, add the voiceover and sync the videos according to the audio. When all the settings are done, simply export the video in 4K quality. And boom! Your video is ready.
No one sees the nights you
Look at it. It looks super amazing, my friends. So clean, so professional. Now we've created everything for free. Images, videos, and voiceover. So friends, copy this channel niche. Create videos using Runway ML, upload them on YouTube or TikTok, and start earning money.